What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I just bought something. Holidays are coming up, and this is a 6-foot lit birch tree. And this is a true unboxing. I want to just see what, oh my gosh, what comes here. And, you know, I thought it'd look cool to have something like this up. Yeah, in the holidays. I know it's not fall yet, but I actually went to my friend Aria's party, and she had a couple of these set up in her house to kind of dimly lit, and they look great, man. Not only are they a synthetic, obviously small birch tree, but they kind of have a modern minimalist look, and when they're lit up, and they're all pre-lit, they look kind of trendy, kind of cool. So we do have instructions here. I don't know that we're going to need this much. We have a big plastic base. It's probably about, I'll tell you exactly, so if you're trying to fit this somewhere, it's basically 8.5 inches square, just a little under, and they have holes in the corner here, so you can actually drill these into wood if you wanted to do that. And the part of the base here is kind of molded to look like, you know, tree roots kind of emanating from the center, and then there's a threaded piece right in the middle. And then it looks like we have a bottom portion of the tree trunk, and this is kind of that standard white birch, which you kind of envision as a birch, the river birches, which look a little different. And it's all white except for these black markings. Now, what they've done here is it's some sort of like white tape with little black markings on it. You can kind of see how it's rolled all the way down this tube, which is lumpy and slightly conical, but it has a little bit of a natural look, and they're overlapped, and because the tape is kind of clear, some of the black marks are lighter and darker, so that's how they simulate the birch. Now, there's none of the birch bark markings on the base, so you just have a white plastic base. So screw that in. Obviously it doesn't take much time. This whole thing is 6 feet apparently. Now on the bottom here there is a power cord attached to this upper portion, and the cord actually unscrews, kind of presses into the outlet piece here. It goes in one way, so you put that in there, and then this little collar tightens it down. So because the cord is wrapped up, just unscrew this little collar and it comes apart. Non-grounded 2-prong regular outlet there. And then what we have here is the top portion, which is also a white plastic tube. Looks like it's about 2.5 feet long. And then you have all of these thinner branches spread out from each other. So basically, this is just going to sit in here into the top of the tube. But let me show you what you're going to have to do, is that you're going to kind of hide the cord as it drapes down to the back. But then all these I think are wires, and so you just kind of pull them away. So you're going to have to do a little artsy-fartsy work yourself here, and hopefully you've got a good eye about what birch trees look like, because not only are you going to pull these down, kind of put them at different angles, but then you're going to have to adjust each of these individual branches, and now there are about 3 of them, and you don't want to just fan them out, but you want to give it some depth by kind of going up and down and left and right on some, and that's going to be up to you. I think just kind of doing something random with each of them is going to look fine. Okay, so that's what I've got here, and then if I just attach it to the top, you can see here 6 feet tall. There are some like white wires, like thin white wires, and I think you're just supposed to spread these out. That kind of gives the branches that wispy thin look at the end, in case they're not already, and most of them are kind of stuck out there. And then what you have are the little LEDs, and they're clear on each of the little nubs and buds of the branches. And so when this lights up, it should look pretty nice and add a little ambiance. It might be a little bit of a kind of a more modern, contemporary holiday look. Certainly in the fall, as the trees lose their leaves, I think this is going to be kind of a nice addition. And if you're having a party or a gathering, what a great way to add a little outdoor feel indoors. So cool way to bring it in. And this tree was not that expensive. So I know these pre-lit trees can run anywhere from $70, $80 typically, up to $100 plus. But this one was very, very cheap, which is why I got it. And obviously we can see in the construction, it's not portending to be a real tree, not really giving, upon close inspection, the look of a real tree, but good enough facsimile that for a decoration, I think it's going to work just fine. And that being said, you get what you pay for, but it's only like $35 or $39 I paid for this thing, so I didn't pay a lot for it, and I think it's going to work nicely. I will put a link to it in the description if you want to pick something up. You can pick up multiples of these, in fact, at this price point because they're so affordable, and really spice up and light up your home. Check it out in the description. Peter from Panda, out!